So Oukitel has quietly launched a new budget 4G rugged phone called the Oukitel WP36. It is the successor of the Oukitel WP33 Pro, and in this video we'll explore its key specs and features. So let's quickly explore its top features and specs. So the device also has a very loud speaker. Its max loudness is 128 decibels. Very loud, guys, but not as loud as the speaker of the Oukitel WP33 Pro that has a max loudness of up to 136 decibels. But this speaker is still expected to be very loud. The device packs a ginormous 10,600 mAh battery, and it supports 15 watts fast wire charging. The device is powered by the MT8788 processor. It's a very old 12nm chip released back in 2018. For those of you that are not familiar with this processor, it's very similar to the Helio P60. Performance of both processors are very similar. The phone ships with the Android 13. It has a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and the refresh rate is just 60 Hz. The device utilizes 8GB RAM, and it supports 8GB virtual RAM expansion, and the internal storage is 128GB. In the camera department, the WP36 features a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 13MP primary sensor and a 2MP macro lens, while the front-facing camera is 5MP. The phone is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military-grade standard 810H certified. The device weighs 393.7 grams and it is 19.1mm thick. Other features of the phone includes Bluetooth 4.2, NFC, face unlock, OTG. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, GPS, Wi-Fi, and so on, guys. So these are the top features of the Oukitel WP36. I think it makes sense to compare the specs of this device with the Oukitel WP33 Pro. So what are your thoughts about this new rugged phone from Oukitel? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.